Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. This is Bernice and you're welcome back to Bernice Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I make this crunchy on the outside buns but moist and soft on the inside. You're going to enjoy it. So firstly, I'm going to pour in the flour into my mixing bowl. Then I'll go into adding the baking powder, salt, sugar, nutmeg, and orange zest. Yes, orange zest. This is totally optional, but I add this because I love the flavor it adds to the buns. Then I'm just going to mix this very well, and I'll make a well or a hole in this flour mixture just as I'm showing you. So now is the right time to add in the wet ingredients, which is the egg, butter, and milk. So I'll just go ahead and mix everything together. All these are already in room temperature, so I'll just give this a good mix. So we want the perfect consistency for this buns mixture. It's not going to be too runny or too thick, so I'm just going to mix this properly. And thank you very much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I said you're welcome. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please, now what did I do to you? Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, as this will help this video get to a wider audience. Thank you very much. So this is the texture for this buns mixture we are looking for. I have thoroughly mixed everything and ensured that there is no loose flour in this bowl. So next, I'm going to heat up some oil in my pot, and we are going to fry this on a medium to low heat. Make sure that this oil is hot enough. I'm just going to go in with a clean toothpick and insert it into the oil, and once it sizzles like so, then it's hot enough. Then I've dipped my hand into water so that it's going to be easy for me to mold the buns to the size or shape I want. So I'm just going to bring this out in between my thumb and my index finger. So this is another way to mold your buns dough, your buns batter, or fry it to get this shape you want. But I'm just going to go ahead to use my fingertips, like to scoop it and dip it into the oil, and use my fingers to push it out as you're seeing it in this video. So whichever method you want, you're free to do that. And you can also use your ice cream scoop to scoop your buns mixture and fry. So whichever one, these three ways of frying this buns, or scooping and dipping it into the oil, whichever one you prefer, you can go with it. So I'll just keep on flipping the buns to ensure that everything is well cooked. Okay, so we are going to fry this, remember, on medium to low heat, so that everything, these buns, will be well cooked on the inside. Because if it's on a high heat, if you cook this on high heat, the outside will be cooked but the inside won't be cooked. And you can fry this maybe to be light golden brown, but I like mine to be a bit darker in color. So it depends. Anyways, it depends on how I want it. Sometimes I want it light, but today I want it to be a bit darker. So you can see how good this buns is looking, like it's well shaped. And once you bite into those buns, the difference is clear. And our buns is ready to be served. These buns, at the moment, once you eat these buns, once you bite into it, you just bite in through the crunchy layer of those buns down into the moist and fluffy parts of those buns. And as you're eating it, you're just closing your eyes and nodding your head, you know, as you're enjoying it as it goes. You can enjoy this with either tea or coffee, any soft drink of your choice, or juice. So whichever way, it's okay. Thank you very much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Please do stay safe. I love you all. Bye.